So one question we get, but why aren't customers doing this for themselves? Well, the reality is a lot of them have tried, especially bigger companies. They may not have any experience in software. They may not have any experience in navigation. So this is new ground for them. And it's often difficult for, especially a larger company to attract the sort of, ninja talent that's needed to solve these problems. So part of it is a resource issue. Part of it is a domain expertise issue. But if you think about just all the man hours that it takes to get to a solution that works the way ours does. We've been looking at this problem for almost 7 years. And to get up to speed on that would take an enormous amount of time for them. And in some cases, again, they've tried it and it didn't work. Again, it's all about getting to market quickly. And in these types of environments, especially where sometimes hundreds of millions of dollars are involved, getting to market 6 months ahead of your competitor can be a tremendous first mover advantage. So everyone's looking for that speed to market, efficiency, and best use of external resources and force multipliers to get the job done.